So guys, luto tayo ng hipon guys. Para sa Christmas. Yan, pasto. Dami kong niluto guys. Oh. Ang paganda. Lagyan natin na onion. Yan guys, sarap naman guys. Yan, yan. Okay. Ayan guys. Wow. So guys, luto tayo ng mussel. Guys, sarap nito guys. Ayan guys, may mussel dito. Ayan guys, sarap niyan guys. Sus! Grabe. Sarap yan guys. Lalaki niyan guys. Oh my god, sarap yan. Paborito ko to. Yes, lagyan na natin ng pampakulay guys. Natin ng sibuyas. Guys, halo na natin yan guys. Sarap nito. Ang sarap nito guys. Ayan na, waka nga. Sarap. Sarap talaga ng mussel. Guys, marami tayong hipon guys. Linuto natin kanina. Wow. Super yummy. Wow. Tapos meron tayong dinotong, siyempre hindi mawawala to, crabs guys. Sarap yan guys, ang crab na malalaki. Ito guys, oh. Ayan guys, oh. Ang sarap. Ayan. Tapos may mussel tayo guys. Ayan. Masarap tong mussel natin guys. Ayan. Pinakamasarap yan guys. Yummy, yummy. 3 combination seafood. Wow. Ayan guys, oh. Kainin natin guys yan. Ito guys, kain tayo ng masarap na crabs. Ito ang hipon. Ito ang pinakamasarap na hipon. This crabs. Wow, it's yummy, yummy. And this my seafood mussel. Yes, it's delicious. I gonna try it. I gonna taste. Wow. Super yummy. I like this. Wow. I eat crabs today. Wow, look. Super delicious. Oh my god. You see this? Wow. Super yummy. Oh my god. Wow. my god. Delicious. Oh my god. Like this, cut in the middle. Oh my god. Super delicious, super yummy. My muscle